Hi, my name is Tyler Penny. I'm a student here at Johnson C. Smith. I'm studying computer engineering.
I am a freshman here and I am studying biology.
Hi, I'm Ariana Schofield and I am a freshman social worker.
How I like it. I use BullsNav for appointments.
Setting up appointments for advising, talking to the student advisors.
Where you can see if you have any upcoming appointments with any of the individuals across campus, be it a tutor or an appointment with your student success coach, with your faculty advisor, or with your instructor. If you come over to my team, you will see all of the individuals who are a part of your success team. This will outline your teacher advisor, any faculty advisors who are part of your care network, along with your student success coach. Also within appointments there, you would be able to then schedule an appointment with any member of the team who has already set up their availability, or you can set up an appointment with any of the care units that we have on campus. But now you see the option to schedule an advising appointment with an advisor. You would indicate the type of service you're requesting. If it is a matter of scheduling courses for the upcoming semester, then you would indicate that there under service, and then search for the specific date in which you want to meet with that individual. So say we want to see if there are any appointments available for tomorrow. Then the system is going to search out all of the availability that individual has placed in the system. You would select the time and day for that appointment, and it will send a notification to that individual and also place that appointment within your appointment portal in your app.
Is the appointment feature, because it's a way for you to easily see dates and times that everyone is available, whoever you need to talk to. There's different categories of the appointments, so even if you might not know exactly what you need, you can get a better idea.
It helps me with tutoring.
To meet up with my advisors or success coaches. I also use it for tutoring or any other meetings I need to do with any other people that I can get a hold of immediately.
We have also built in all of the key campus resources that you may need to connect with. If you go into Places here, you have various categories of resources. We have academic support, administrative assistance, some of our campus services ranging from the various tutorial options, career planning with our career services. You're also able to connect with financial aid.
There's a system for studying where you can get study buddies, and it shows your students that are in your class that you can link up with and talk to in order to study.
There is a wonderful feature in here called Study Buddies. Study Buddies allow you to form groups with other peers who are in the courses in which you're enrolled in for the semester. So you're able to view all of the available study buddy groups. If there are already individuals in your courses who have formed a study buddy group, you would see where there are a certain number of individuals already in the group. However, it will also prompt you to be the first to join. So say, for example, you feel like you need some additional assistance with general physics, which is the case for many people. You would select this option to join that study buddy group. It will prompt you to indicate if this is actually what you desire to do, or you can choose never mind. Once you are in that study buddy group, it will send you a notification when other individuals have chosen to join.
BullsNav is a way for you to get in contact with your advisor, check your schedule.
We quickly return to your home screen at the bottom. You are able to view your entire class schedule for the semester is right at your fingertips, and you can look at it in different views, a calendar view or a list view. And if you need additional specific information, you're able to click on the hyperlink for that class, and you can add it to your own personal calendar so that it blocks off that period of time every day that that class is held, and also gives you a notification that you have class during that time.
It's a nice app to have when you don't have a lot of time on your hands, because you can just schedule it for another time when the other person's available when you need them. I find this really beneficial to everyone that goes to the school. They should all use it if they don't. You could really gain something from it, like help if you need the help, if you don't want to talk to somebody like physically in person to ask for the appointment, or if you don't feel like emailing them, you could just schedule it on your phone or on your laptop. It's an easy way to just get in contact with people, and I feel like it's a really good app and you should download it if you have it.